Imagine a computer smarter than any human. It can solve any problem. It can learn anything. This is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It's not science fiction, it's the future, and the race to get there is on. AGI is a big deal. It could change everything. Countries with AGI will have a huge advantage. They could control the global economy. They could win wars without a single soldier. The US and China know this. They are investing billions of dollars in AGI research. The stakes are high. The winner will shape the future of the world. In the 21st century, knowledge is power, but AGI takes this to a whole new level. It's not just about having information, it's about understanding it, using it, and innovating faster than anyone else. Think about military applications. AGI could create autonomous weapon systems capable of making life or death decisions on the battlefield. It could also lead to breakthroughs in cybersecurity, intelligence gathering, and strategic planning. Beyond defense, AGI could revolutionize healthcare, education, and transportation. It could solve climate change, cure diseases, and personalize learning for every student. The potential benefits are enormous, but so are the risks. The United States, a global leader in technology, is taking the AGI race very seriously. The government is pouring money into research and development, partnering with tech giants like Google and Microsoft. One key strategy is to incentivize private sector innovation. The US is offering lucrative contracts to companies developing AGI applications, particularly in areas like defense and intelligence. This creates a powerful incentive for companies to push the boundaries of AI research. But the US is also wary of the risks posed by AGI. There are concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and even the potential for AI to become uncontrollable. To address these concerns, the government is exploring regulations and ethical guidelines for AI development. China is determined to become the world leader in AI by 2030, and AGI is a key part of this ambition. The Chinese government sees AGI as a tool for economic dominance, technological independence, and even social control. China has a number of advantages in the AGI race. It has a vast pool of talented engineers and scientists. It has access to massive data sets, essential for training AI algorithms. And the Chinese government has fewer ethical qualms about using AI for surveillance and control. However, China also faces challenges. Its culture of censorship and control can stifle innovation, and its reliance on government funding can create inefficiencies and stifle creativity. Section 5, East versus West, contrasting visions of an AI-powered future. The US and China have very different visions for the future of AI. These differences are deeply rooted in their unique cultural, political, and economic landscapes. The US emphasizes individual liberty, free markets, and ethical considerations. American tech companies often focus on innovation that aligns with democratic values and the protection of personal freedoms. China, on the other hand, prioritizes national power, economic growth, and social stability. The Chinese government plays a significant role in directing AI research and development, aiming to integrate AI into various aspects of society to enhance efficiency and control. These contrasting values are reflected in their approaches to AGI. While the US is cautious, focusing on the ethical implications and long-term safety of AGI, China is more aggressive, willing to take risks to achieve rapid advancements. The US is focused on developing safe, ethical, and beneficial AGI. American researchers are deeply engaged in discussions about the moral and societal impacts of AGI, striving to ensure that these technologies serve humanity positively. China is more willing to accept risks and push boundaries in pursuit of its strategic goals. Chinese developers are driven by a sense of urgency to establish global leadership in AI, often prioritizing speed and scale over caution. This difference in approach has significant implications for the future of the world. The global balance of power could shift depending on which vision of AGI prevails, influencing international relations, economic competition, and technological standards. Will AGI be a force for good, promoting human progress and well-being? The potential for AGI to revolutionize healthcare, education, and environmental sustainability is immense, offering hope for a brighter future. Or will it be a tool of oppression and control, used to reinforce existing power structures? The darker side of AGI could lead to increased surveillance, loss of privacy, and the entrenchment of authoritarian regimes, raising critical ethical and human rights concerns. Section 6, the global chessboard AI and the shifting balance of power. The AGI race is not just a competition between the US and China. It involves numerous other nations, each striving to secure their place in the future of artificial intelligence. It's a global contest that will reshape the geopolitical landscape, influencing international relations and power dynamics in unprecedented ways. Countries that fall behind in AI development risk becoming technologically dependent, economically disadvantaged, and strategically vulnerable. This technological lag can lead to a cascade of negative effects, impacting everything from national security to economic stability. This is particularly concerning for developing countries, which often lack the resources and infrastructure to compete in the AGI race. These nations may find themselves at a significant disadvantage, unable to leverage AI advancements to improve their economies and societies. The widening technological gap between developed and developing countries could exacerbate existing inequalities and create new sources of conflict. As advanced nations continue to innovate, those left behind may struggle to catch up, leading to increased tensions and potential unrest. The international community needs to work together to ensure that AGI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Collaborative efforts are essential to create a balanced and fair technological landscape. This will require cooperation on issues such as ethical guidelines, safety standards, and access to AI technologies. By establishing a framework for responsible AI development, we can mitigate risks and ensure that the benefits of AGI are shared globally. Initiatives such as technology transfer programs, international aid, and educational efforts can help bridge the gap, providing developing nations with the tools they need to participate in the AI revolution. By fostering a spirit of global collaboration and innovation, we can create a future where AI serves as a force for good, driving progress and prosperity for all. Section 7. Cooperation or conflict. Navigating the risks of an AI arms race. As nations race to develop advanced artificial intelligence, the stakes have never been higher. The competition is not just about technological supremacy, but also about national security and global influence. The race to develop AGI carries with it the risk of a new kind of arms race, one driven by algorithms and data rather than nuclear warheads. Unlike traditional arms races, this one is less visible but potentially more dangerous, as it involves the rapid development of technologies that could surpass human control. This could lead to a destabilizing spiral of investment in increasingly powerful and potentially dangerous AI systems. The financial and intellectual resources being poured into AI research are immense, and the pressure to outpace competitors can lead to cutting corners on safety and ethical considerations. To prevent such an outcome, dialogue and cooperation between the US and China are crucial. Diplomatic efforts must focus on building trust and establishing common ground, despite the competitive nature of their relationship. Both countries have a shared interest in ensuring that AGI is developed safely and responsibly. Collaborative research initiatives and joint safety protocols can help mitigate risks and promote transparency. They also have a responsibility to prevent the proliferation of dangerous AI technologies to other actors. This includes non-state actors and rogue nations that might use AI for malicious purposes. International agreements and norms will be essential for governing the development and use of AGI. These agreements should be comprehensive, covering not only the technical aspects but also ethical and societal implications. These agreements should address issues such as the weaponization of AI, ensuring that AI technologies are not used to create autonomous weapons that can make life and death decisions without human intervention. The protection of human rights, ensuring that AI systems are designed and used in ways that respect human dignity and privacy, and the equitable distribution of the benefits of AGI. It is crucial that the advancements in AI technology benefit all of humanity, rather than exacerbating existing inequalities. By working together, nations can harness the power of AI for the greater good, ensuring a safer and more prosperous future for everyone. Section 8. The future of intelligence, possibilities, and perils of an AGI world. The development of AGI has the potential to be the most transformative event in human history. It could usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity, solving some of the world's most pressing problems and unlocking new frontiers of knowledge and innovation. However, AGI also poses profound risks. It could lead to mass unemployment, social unrest, and even the erosion of human autonomy. The future of our species may depend on our ability to manage these risks and ensure that AGI is aligned with our values. Section 9. A call to action. Shaping a responsible and beneficial AGI future. The future of AGI is not predetermined. It is up to us, the human race, to shape the development and deployment of this powerful technology. We must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep sense of responsibility. Governments, businesses, and research institutions must work together to establish ethical guidelines, safety standards, and regulatory frameworks for AGI. We need to foster international cooperation, promote transparency, and ensure that AGI benefits all of humanity. The choices we make today will determine the course of the AGI revolution. Let us strive to create a future where artificial intelligence empowers humanity, solves our greatest challenges, and unlocks